Holy moly, and check out this extender, lens extender. Woohoo! Alright guys, I just got the global version of the Oppo Pad X9 Ultra. This is a really cool color, right? I released one photo, it's white, but instead it's gray. Only gray has this leather finish and this dual part design. So let's check out the design a little bit. Because the music is too loud, I'm not sure if I will just use the sound directly, but anyway. So this is the design, right? This the snap key. Oh, this is the global version, by the way. So after all these years, right? It's finally I have the global version in my hand. So you can check out all the pre-installed, apps, Google Play, Play Store, Facebook, Netflix. Anyway, this is the snap key. You can customize whatever feature you want here. Okay, sound vibration, DNT, camera, flashlight, whatever. Moving to the right, we have the power key, volume rocker, and also a camera key. Double press, you will enter the camera interface. And the camera is one of the features, one of the highlights, definitely one of the highlights we are going to talk about today. But here's quick hands-on. And at the top, at the bottom, we have the, Type-C speaker, this normal thing. So one of the features is definitely the 10 times optical zoom. So let's switch to 10 times. Oh my God. And check out. Let's do one more. Wow. Wow. Especially after the processing, you can see all the details, like everything. Alright, let's take one portrait. Let's check out. Another thing I really care about is the video quality. 4K, 60, 120 fps. For it supports 1 time, 2 times, even 2 times 4K 120. Oh my God! And 3 times, 6 times, 10 times 4K 120. Oh my God, that's crazy. I really want to show you a little bit. I really want to run a little bit, but the Oppo guy won't allow me, if I run. But let's maybe 4 times. Okay. Okay. Let me just walk a little bit. Maybe I just look at this to check out the stabilization. Oh my God. Let's check out. Let's check out the stabilization. It's good, right? Also, they have 2 more colors. White color. So when you look a little bit closer, you will see the pattern here, streamlined, and the yellow. I will just show you. I am going to do a massive camera comparison with the Vivo X300 Ultra, which I have right now. I can compare a little bit. So we have the Vivo X300 Ultra here. So you can check the camera module. Vivo is definitely more pro shooting, but it will have better camera performance. Stay tuned for my next video. Alright, so Oppo X9s Pro. X9s Pro is better than Pro, it said. dual 200 megapixel camera. So yeah, I don't know. But for me, I always go to flagships. 200 megapixel. 1, 2.8. Another color, gray color. Oh, blue. Oppo Pad 5. Okay. And here we go. The Oppo Pad Mini. super like lightweight, super thin. It's even thinner than the iPhone Air. And it comes with this pen. Wow. Wow, super lightweight. If you have big pocket, you may be able to put it inside, right? Wow, I think, wow. Oh, I can actually put it to my pocket. Oh my god. Wow. I also check out the border. The black border. It's much better than the Apple one, right? Wow. Also comes with a pen, so you can do lots of interesting things about it. But anyway, wow. All 3 colors. Woo-hoo.